This is Xiaomi 13, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can see, my parental controls are indeed active. So from here you gotta launch settings, then enter the Google category, then tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. In here, once this management center gets loaded, open the Data and Privacy section. At the bottom of the page, go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Type in the password to the child's Google account. Then at the Delete Your Google Account page, check those two boxes. Confirm your choice by tapping at the Delete Account button to your bottom right. And, well, that would be it. At this point, the parental controls were successfully switched off. Let me quickly prove that to you. As you can see, there is no Google account linked, and if I will open up parental controls, there will be none. The final thing that I need to do is to recover the Google account that I have just deleted. I can very easily do that by signing into it, or signing in with it rather. So that's the message that you should get as well. Then follow the message by entering the password. Most of the times you will get something went wrong message. That's completely fine. Just sign in or enter your email address and password one more time, and usually second time around the system lets you go through, so you should not face the same issue again. Now just proceed with the Google sign in as you would normally do, and that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.